How'd you get in there?
This is my video?
Yeah, it's going on YouTube. It's going on YouTube, man. Thank you. I bet you can fit in there easily. Look at this kid.
Stop.
Oh my gosh. Oh god. I hope security doesn't come by. Oh my god. Say hi. This is going on YouTube.
Hi.
Come on. How'd you get in there?
You got any quarters? You got any quarters, man?
No. Get out, dude. Freaking cop comes by.
I got a quarter. Come on.
Oh my god.
Not easy. I can't
Dude,
look.
come on, get out of there quickly.
Hold on. I think I got a quarter.
You're not gonna ride that, are you?
I got a quarter. Where's it? Where
I
is
think
it?
it's more than a quarter.
Where you put a quarter in? Here?
Nikki, you're starring in my first video. How do you feel? Well,
These ties are fresh.
I don't know. Say hi, random dude. It's going on my YouTube channel.
Yes, Karen.
How are you gonna get out? Before security comes, I'm just checking. Okay, it's good. Yeah, the little dude knows that's the right stuff.
Fit in that. Oh, Nikki, it's right here.
Where is it?
But I got it.
75 cents?
What?
Yeah, he's out.
5 cents.
Please stop.
A few quarters. That's how it's done.
He got out.
See that car right there? If you see it, you have to vigorously teabag it consecutively for 10 minutes.
Alright.
Starting now.
Peace out, Nikki. Right on. Hi.